I've had a great time at the show. It's good to see all these representatives here from a variety of companies. It's nice to see what's new in the market. It's a good time, highly recommended.
Probably the biggest standout for us was being able to see all the lights up close and see how they work in action, and everything is really informative.
I love it. It's so fun to see all of the booths and the people coming together. Ultimately, just a great chance to learn about the product and bring value to our customers.